Hey stranger, look my way. You're new in town, I'm wondering your name, and I'm guessing that it's real pretty and then some. Hey stranger, look my way. The coffee wasn't great, but I'll stay anyway and come back tomorrow and order another one, because I like everything about you. I like everything about you. Yes, I do. I see you standing there in your waitress active, wearing things you sure know how to do. I see you standing there wearing flowers in your hair and think, hey, you sure look like you. I like everything about you. I like everything about you. Yes I do, yes I do. I like everything about you. Oh.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And another day, another vlog. So, today is the 26th of February. And tayo magagala.
I like everything about you. But I came in on Monday and I didn't see your face, and came back on Tuesday and you weren't in the place, and Wednesday and Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and Sunday you were gone. Sunday you were gone, and I say I like everything about you. I like everything about you. Everything, everything, everything. I like everything about you. Oh, I like everything about you.
And yes, we are here in Pansol, Laguna. We are having an outing with my teammates from work, and we're gonna be here until tomorrow. We're gonna be trying out until tomorrow. Pansit, sinigang, wow! Sinugbang, ano sinugbang? Ano sinugbang? Sinugbang. Bisaya na araso. Inihaw. Tapos hotdog, rice, another pansit, and ano pong manok. Nakakala mo ang dami natin. Bread, drinks, and more drinks inside.
I don't usually cry at all, but wow, is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made of people in my dreams. The last time if I recall was a feeling of being alone. I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
Hi guys. It's currently 11 in the evening right now of the 26th of February. And yeah, we're still swimming. Enjoy lang.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in.
Hello everybody. Yes, and we're done with outing. So, uwi na ho kami ngayon. Here are my kasama.
I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorites.
Wala, pe. Walang may-ari.
Hi.
Tagay ako ng isasakit. Tagay your own.